everyone, thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan with FitHappyFree.com, and today I'm going to be talking about my smile. So I love to smile. I'm a happy person. Obviously I love to smile. And when I smile, I like to show my teeth. I don't like to smile without my teeth because to me it doesn't feel natural and I feel like it doesn't look genuine. But that being said, my teeth are not my greatest pride and joy. Over the years, I drank a lot of coffee and tea and red wine on occasion. I ate a lot of chocolate. I also do have a history of bulimia, so all of that together kind of made my teeth very stained, and they have kind of a yellowish hue to them, and part of that could be genetics as well. But that being said, my smile was just not as bright and as white as I would like it to be. I've tried a few different whitening treatments over the years. I've done the charcoal toothpaste and the whitening toothpaste, but we know those don't do that much. They might help temporarily, but it seems as soon as I eat or drink anything, they go dull pretty much instantly. And I've done the white strips, and they work a little bit, but I'm not the biggest fan of the white strips because I always feel like, I have to stay there and I can't move my lips for 30 minutes. And I feel like they only cover my first 4 teeth, and I'd like my whole smile to be white, not just my first 4 teeth. And they were just kind of uncomfortable for me to wear. So when Smile Brilliant reached out to me and told me about their custom whitening trays, I was definitely interested in their professional whitening system. So Smile Brilliant is a professional teeth whitening system, and what they will do is they will send you custom trays that you make, or impressions that you make, and they will send you custom trays that you wear, and they're very comfortable to wear. I'm just going to go over the process and show you what you get in the kit, how to make your impressions, and how to whiten your teeth at home. So once you sign up with Smile Brilliant, they will send you your kit in the mail. I had the T3 kit, and what comes with the kit is 2 sets of trays to make your impressions with, 1 for your top teeth and 1 for your bottom teeth, 3 sets of base paste, 3 sets of the catalyst paste, and you'll also get your teeth whitening gels and your desensitizing gels. So the impressions are super easy to make. I was a little intimidated to make them at first, but they're actually very simple, and they do send you detailed instructions as well. All you're basically going to do is you're going to take 1 set of base paste and 1 set of catalyst paste. Then you'll knead them together until they form 1 solid color. And then you want to do this kind of quickly so that it doesn't dry, but you'll spread it as evenly as you can over the tray. Then you'll place the tray in your mouth and you'll press gently upwards so that all of your top teeth are covered. And you'll leave it in your mouth for about 2 minutes, at least 2 minutes. And then you'll repeat the process with your bottom teeth. Once your impressions have dried completely, you will slip them into the envelope that they send to you. And you will send it to them, and about 7 to 10 days you'll get your custom trays in the mail. So in about 7 to 10 business days later, you will receive your custom trays in the mail. And they come in this cute little carrying case so that you can always have them together. And the trays are actually very comfortable to use. They're like soft and malleable. They're not like those clear braces. So they're actually pretty comfortable, and they fit my teeth perfectly. Go figure. My bottom teeth are a little bit crooked, and I've never worn any kind of custom trays or clear braces before, so I wasn't sure how they would fit, but they do fit perfectly, and they were actually pretty comfortable to wear. The first time I wore them, they were a little stiffer, but once I started wearing them more often, I barely even noticed that I have them in anymore. So the whitening process is super easy. You're going to want to wash your teeth or brush your teeth with water beforehand, and then you'll take your tray and your whitening gel, and you will squeeze a thin line of the gel along the front of the trays. And then you want to kind of dry your teeth off a little bit. Then you'll place the tray in your mouth and you'll wear them anywhere between 45 minutes to 3 hours. I found that they were very comfortable to wear, and it's great if you're a multitasker and you want to do other things. I usually do my whitening at night, and I'll put my trays in after dinner, and then I'll go along with the rest of my housework and get things ready for the next day and do some meal prep or some finishing touches on a blog post. And then before bed, I'll pop my trays out and do the desensitizing gel. So they'll also send you desensitizing gel. which is really important to use, especially if you have sensitive teeth. I have mildly sensitive teeth, so this you will use after the whitening treatment. So once you're done whitening, you will rinse out your whitening off of your teeth, and then you'll, just like you did for the whitening treatment, you're going to place a thin line of the desensitizing gel into the trays, and you'll pop them in and you'll wear them for about 15 minutes. And then once the 15 minutes is up, you're going to spit it out, but you want to leave the desensitizing gel on your teeth so that your teeth absorbs it. So I like to do this before bed. That way, while I'm sleeping, my teeth can absorb the desensitizing gel. I found that I didn't really have any teeth sensitivity with this product. I was a little bit concerned about that because I know with whitening products that can be a concern. But I didn't have any teeth sensitivity, and I also didn't use the desensitizing gel for 2 applications, and my teeth were fine. And I do have mildly sensitive teeth, so I was really happy about that. I did experience a little bit of gum sensitivity the first time that I used it. I do already have sensitive gums, and I did put a lot of whitening gel into the trays. I was a little too eager, so it did overlap and get a little bit onto my gums. I talked to my representative about that, and she said that that was a little bit normal, and you can always put coconut oil or Vaseline on your gums to serve as a barrier, and also to use a little bit less whitening gel. I use less whitening gel each treatment, and I found that I didn't have any gum sensitivity after that. I made sure that I just used enough just to cover my teeth and not seep up into my gums. So I did see a little bit of improvement. Here is my before picture. As you can see, my teeth are pretty stained and yellowish. And after using this for 7 days for an hour a day, I didn't expect to see that much of a difference, but I did see a slight improvement. As you can see, it's a little bit brighter. After I used it for 7 days, I did have a break for the holidays. I went to Florida for the holidays. I did take my trays with me, but I only used them about once or twice. So after the 7 days were up, instead of using it for an hour each day, I kind of went to every other day or twice a week, and I used it for 2 hours each. So after 15 days, here are, or 15 applications, this is my results. I definitely do like what I'm seeing so far as results. I definitely see an improvement and that my teeth are brighter. I did go ahead and order a couple more, both the desensitizing gel and the whitening gel, just because my teeth are not mildly stained, they're pretty severely stained. So I definitely do want to get all those stains off of my teeth and get a whiter smile. But I am really happy with the results that I've gotten so far, and I like what I'm seeing. And I would definitely recommend the system to anybody who's looking to whiten their teeth at home. I love the custom trays. I love how easy they are to wear and how I can't even tell that I have them in most of the time. And it makes it really easy to multitask and do other things while you're whitening your teeth. So I'm excited to have partnered with Smile Brilliant to give away one of their T3 systems to one of my lucky followers. So click on the link in the description below and you'll be entered to win. You can find all their information at smilebrilliant.com. You can click on my blog post in the description below to see my full review and pictures. And you can also find me at fithappyfree.com, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.